Insta360 have just updated the Insta360 app for iOS and Android users, and there's one update in particular which is really exciting for One X and One R users, so let's get straight to it and take a look. The first two updates are new Shot Lab effects in the Shot Lab library. The first is called Split Jump and is available for the One X2 and the One R. Split Jump requires 6 shots involving doing a split shot in the air in different locations, and this is then cut together to form a split jump montage. The next effect in the Shot Lab library is Pixelize, and this is also available for the One X2 and the One R, but be patient One X users because the next update is well worth waiting for. Pixelize is a simple one-shot effect where you walk around the camera and then using AI this shot is transformed into a pixelated, warpy, distorted video effect. This next update is the biggest update in this video, and drumroll please, yes, this includes you as well, One X owners. The Flythrough effect, which I looked at in a previous video for the One X2, is now available on the One R and the One X. Flythrough is an AI editing effect that simulates an FPV drone shot which allows you to edit together multiple shots into one continuous sequence. And with the final result, it looks like you're flying through in one continuous shot. It's really easy to shoot, and the editing is done automatically with the press of a button. I absolutely love this effect. You can have so much fun with it, and I think it's the best AI effect that Insta360 have brought to the app. And I've made a full tutorial on this which you can watch here. Not so exciting, but other issues that have been resolved in this update include the frame skipping in the shadow clone effect, and also an issue where jump cut would freeze when you edit remotely. And of course in this update there are routine bug fixes and user improvements to the app. Let me know in the comments what you think of the Flythrough effect update, and you can watch a tutorial on how to do that here. My name's Rich, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.